Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix any kind of audio recording problem in your camtasia, right? So, and in this video I will also tell you how to boost your audio recording voice. So let's start. First of all, you have to go ahead here speaker option and right click on it. After that you will able to see here option as sounds and then double click on it. So here you can see the pop-up will be open, right? So here you can see the option as recording. So click on recording, then click on, right? So whenever we clicking on that, so it will get these options you can see here. So click on properties. After that you need to click on labels option. So here you can see whenever we are clicking on that speaker option, so my voice is not recorded. So when click on that, so guys, it should be enabled, right? Guys, if you have any kind of audio recording problem, so you need to check out that option. It should be enabled, right? If you want to boost your audio recording, right? So here you can see whenever we level is 0, so you can see my voice is not records, right? So that option, whenever we clicking on highest point, so my voice is high. So here you can also set your audio voice boost, right? So thank you for watching this video.